Hey guys, welcome back to Dev Bites with Depriya. Today we have got a super interesting problem about grouping elements in a special way. Let's break it down. You are given an integer array nums of size n and n is always a multiple of 3. You are also given a number k. Your task is to divide the array into n by 3 groups, each with exactly 3 elements, such that in every group the difference between any two elements is less than or equal to k. In the end, you need to return a 2D list of these groups. If it is not possible to form such groups, return the empty list. And yes, if multiple valid answers exist, any of them will work. Let's make it clear with an example. Let's say nums array is given and k is 2. The length of the array is 6, so we need to make 6 by 3, that is 2 groups. Can we group them like this? Let's check it. 3 minus 1 is 2, which is less than or equal to k. And next 4 minus 1 is 3, which is greater than k. So this group is invalid. Let's make another group, 3, 4, 5. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1, and 4 and 5 is 1, and 3 and 5 is 2. So all the differences are less than or equal to k, which is 2, so this is a valid group. Let's check another group, 1, 3, 2. The difference between 3 and 1 is 2, the difference between 3 and 2 is 1, and the difference between 2 and 1 is 1. All these differences are less than or equal to k, so this group is also valid one. So, one option is to go through all the possible ways, that is the brute force approach. But can we find a more reliable way? Let's think of it smart. And the smart idea is of using sorting. If we sort the arrays first and then group them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in both the groups the max difference is 2, which is less than or equal to k, so both are the valid solution. So what would be our approach? First is to sort the array, because sorting brings close elements together, exactly what we wanted. And second is to move from left to right and try to form a group of 3. For each group, just check the difference between the first and third element. If it's less than or equal to k, accept the group, otherwise return an empty list. And why we are just checking first and third? Because the array is sorted, the middle element will lie within the same range. Now let's code it up fast. Let me first initialize the result and return it right here. Next, just sort the array. Then we move in steps of 3 and check if each trio is valid. If it is not, return the empty list right away. Otherwise, update the result with the latest trio. The time complexity for the iteration will be order of n, and for sorting will be order of n log n, since we will check the most dominating one, that is order of n log n, because of sorting. The space complexity will be order of n for storing the results. Let's just submit it, and it runs as expected. and the time and space complexity are as per expected. And that's how you solve this one using greedy grouping with sorting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel, share it with your coding buddies. This is Devpriya signing off from DevBytes. Keep learning, keep building. See you in the next one.